Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to Skincare Mondays! I want to start off every week on my channel, guys. Like, on Monday, it's hype day, okay? Like, yes, we're starting this week off right. So I'm a little hyper. I don't even know why I'm hyper because I'm on a 7-day water fast and I have not eaten. I thought that I was hyper and loud because of all the Mountain Dew, but now that I'm only drinking water, I've realized that it's just my personality. There's so many things you learn about yourself on this journey of just drinking water. So here we are. Ding! I'm still loud as hell. What I will say though is that it's starting to make me break out like right here on my cheeks. I mean, I guess it's a detox, right? But you know how I feel about pimples. Me and pimples, we don't go together. We're not friends. I don't play with pimples. No. Okay. Anyway, enough of my rant. Hi, I'm Sierra. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for just going ahead and clicking that subscribe button right there. It's red, it's in your face. Just click it, bing, and then hit that bell and we'll be good to go, okay? Boom, we're getting right into this video. So, CAMMELIAS for Jesus told me that she wanted me to review this right here. It is the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. CAMMELIAS, you know I'm gonna review it. If you guys have products that you want me to review and you want me to be the guinea pig and put it on my face so that your face doesn't get messed up, holla at your girl, leave down below in the comments. Let's do this. Okay, so we'll get into specs real quick. I did do a little bit of research. This is in pretty much all drugstores. CVS, Target, Walmart, you can find this pretty much everywhere. It's $5 for the 0.5 ounce. So that's like, I guess if you just really want to just try it out and get your feet wet. This one right here is 1.7 ounces and this one retails for $15. I bought mine off of Amazon, but you can find it pretty much everywhere, okay? Cool. The first thing that I look for is, does this thing have a whole bunch of garbage in it? And I'm happy to inform you that it is free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, sodium lauryl sulfate, petroleum, mineral oil, formaldehyde. That is a very good start. I feel good about that, okay? Then we're gonna go into the key ingredients of this product. It has marshmallow root extract, it has olive leaf extract, it has lime, lemon, pine, and eucalyptus oils, and it also has zinc. When we're talking about key ingredients, if you give me the key ingredients, but the key ingredients are all the way at the bottom, I got an issue, okay? So I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm gonna do a split screen. Now, we're looking at the ingredients. We got water, glycerin, glycol, When we get to number 7, we've got olive fruit oil. And then 7 ingredients past that, we've got all the stuff that like we really want to see, right? We've got the fruit extract and we've got the root extract, and you're reading it as I'm reading it, okay? So you see it right there? Okay, so then you keep scrolling down and you've got a whole bunch of other stuff that I don't know if it's necessary in a product. So I'm kind of on the fence about the ingredients list. I don't think it's terrible. I just don't think it's amazing. If you guys want me to go more in depth with what ingredients I really don't like and all of that stuff, I can. I just feel like I think that you guys want me to tell you if it's a good product or a bad product in a very short amount of time and just give you the key points. If you guys want more in depth, just let me know. I can go as deep as you want to, honey. How deep do you want it? Okay? I just don't think that y'all want to sit here and learn about, like, you know, dimethicone. Do you guys want to learn about dimethicone? But if you guys want to, we can. Whatever. Okay, so rant over. Now, I broke that down. Let's put it on our face and let's see what it does. It's also slightly scented. It's like a kiss of a scent. I love the texture. It does have a whipped texture. So application is very simple. Smooth a thick layer onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week. It's pink, so I already know that you use dye in the product. I mean, it's pink, which is cute. Just don't think it's necessary in my skincare, that's all I'm saying. Yeah, it's at the bottom. Red 33. I'm gonna leave them on for 10 minutes and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this first impression. First impression, okay? The first time I put it on my face, okay? Okay. Don't come for me in the comments. All right, guys, I'm back and you are zoomed. It has been not 10 minutes, not 15 minutes. It has been probably about an hour because I wanted to really go through the list of ingredients one more time before I gave you my final thoughts. And to be honest, the ingredients are really not that bad. Is it a great mask? No. Is it a bad mask? No. I mean, there are things in here that I just don't think are necessary, like Red 33. That's a synthetic dye. We really don't need that in our skincare, do we? Do you want to put dye on your face? I don't want to put dye on my face. And the only reason why they put it in there was to just give this a little pink shift, which we didn't really need. Did we need it to be pink? I don't think we did. But I mean, hey, I guess that's just personal preference. I felt that it was hydrating, but I wouldn't say that it was penetrating. You know what I'm saying? If that makes any sense. It was almost more of like there was a film or like an oil on my skin sitting on it rather than like sinking into my skin. The price point, I mean, if you want to try this out, the little mini is $5. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. You can find it anywhere, so it's very accessible. The only problem is that I also love other masks that are in the same price range, $15, $16, $20, that I think perform way better than this and have a much better ingredient list. My only concern is that because my skin felt hydrated and it wasn't sinking in totally, I'm afraid that this might clog pores, or my pores anyway. You know what? I will say Camellia for Jesus. Go ahead and try the mini. It's $5. I'm honestly, just being real with you guys, probably never gonna use this again. I don't think she's worth clogging my pores. I'll probably give it to my sister. She'll probably love it. It's okay, but what I'm looking for is superb. That's my final wrap up, guys. Take it as you will. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for sticking it out with me, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Say it with me, 10 a.m. EST. Okay.